Hi folks, how are we doing? Cueball here. On to the next video. A bit of welding. Never done it before, so I thought I'd have a go. Before I go any further, yes, I have got a welding mask. I've brought one. Now first things first, let's show you my new welding mask. It's a battery operated one, solar power thing on for any of you guys that do welding. I ain't got a clue. It's got a battery thing inside, and then you got your visor. Joe, if Joe's watching, he was telling me about it. He says when you put it on, he said it's normal, and then when you put the weld on, the arc weld, then it changes colour, obviously, so it protects your eyes. Took me a while to figure out how it goes on your fucking head. Right folks, I've got my mask on. That's what it looks like, for a nice design on. I've still got to mess around with the adjusters. It's not quite happy where I want it. Just playing around with the clips and that on it. Let's try that one. I want to be able to use my two hands while I'm doing the weld. So yeah, let me know what you think about the mask. I've still got to figure out how it fits to your head correctly. Put it back in here so we don't get it scratched. I'm going to have to get the bike out, so I've got no room in here otherwise. Joe as well, big thank you to Joe. And obviously Lee for giving me the welding machine. Joe's give me some more welding rods, so I'll put them in a bag because he reckons they can go damp. They can causes him to spark or something. Yes, so I've got loads of them. I've already got one on the thing ready. He's also given me that welding hammer to chip it off. Yeah, for you guys that have been watching with the angle grinder, the disc wasn't on the wrong way, it was just not tightened up enough. So I've brought another lock nut so it tightens it up and it won't be loose, but I'm not going to show you that yet, that'll be in the next video. Yeah, so Stan and Dave, yeah, it went on the wrong way because obviously it tells you on the one which way it's on. So it's just the lock nut that's causing it to move. So folks, I'll get this bike out, and then we'll bring the welder in. Right folks, Cueball here. After a bit of practice, just been messing about with the settings and stuff on the old Easy Weld 4. I think not too much. I've just been messing about with it. I first used one of these rods, one of the ones that Lee had given me. I think these have been out in the damp. Didn't seem to work too well with them. So Joe, if you're watching mate, these rods seem to work better. I have got some newer ones on order. So them are the ones I'll be using. And I've managed to, on the video Lee sent me, spark the arc and across you go. And I think I've managed to bond the two pieces of metal. So the first stage is I wanted to see if I could actually make a weld, you know, two pieces of metal together. So I'm just going to do a quick video because I've only got one bar on this battery, and I'll bring you in, and then obviously as the weekends go on we'll try and get better. So wish me luck, or as Dell says, all down for a full house. On goes my mask. Just going to wipe it down because it keeps getting stained up inside. Yeah, so On goes the welder, and wish me luck. There we go. Right folks, we're back now. I had a few issues. I'm going to try a weld here because it's better there. I have managed to get one further back. Just playing about. Let's try here. That's probably better there. Put an hole through that now, it's probably too much power. I can turn that down a bit. That's better over there. Why ain't it connecting there? Just catching it right, I think. You need to bridge. Sticks are easy somewhere. And that seems best. As you get it, just drag it across nicely. Seems to be burning right through it. Try turning it down. That was a nice weld then, that one. There we go. Right folks, we managed to get the thing back now, let's hopefully it'll work. Right folks, after a bit of fiddling I've had to chop the wire up here. The wire's not been the best on this, but I think this crocodile clip needs replacing. You've seen a bit of me welding. I did a bit there, look. I managed to get the two pieces of metal to bond. I definitely think this crocodile clip needs replacing because I ain't getting it to connect correctly. So I've managed to get two pieces of metal to bond together. I ain't got time to mess about, so I'm just going to do a few more on there, perhaps try and get that to join with that, and then well, the other option is perhaps having the time, if I can get that to clip on there. I've got it all up and working now. I can get to bond that on now, see if I can weld them together. I don't know if it'll work now, but it's definitely that crocodile clip. It's Lee, if you're watching mate, that thing's had it. I've had to strip the wire on it to try and get it to work again. So hopefully, I'm running out of time. This Cueball's going to get mad at me. I've been in the shed for hours. So hopefully this will work, and this will be my last one. There we go. That's connecting now, so I'm going to... There we go. Look at that. That's better. Just going to wipe that off inside. A couple of welds there. Try some here. Try over there. There we go. There we go. Try one over here so you can see it better. There you go. I think we'll leave it there, turn it off, disconnect it. I've actually welded it to the chair, that's how good I am. Oh shit! Right, there we go folks. Obviously I've burnt an hole through quite a few of them, because I think I've got the settings on too high. But it's getting a bit hot on the bottom of there. I've managed to weld a couple of pieces together. Obviously I've burnt through on them because I've been holding onto them too long. But I'm happy that I've managed to bond the metals together. First attempt, not bad, eh? Anyway, I better get back in. Miss Cueball will be thinking, what the fuck am I doing? Let me know what you think of my new welding mask. And I'll catch you for the next one, right safe.